Hi, this is our project Streamora, an AI-powered streaming recommendation platform that mimics the experience of services like Netflix, but with a fully custom recommendation engine under the hood. Here on the login page, you can create an account or sign in. Once you're in, you're greeted with Who's Watching screen, where you can select your profile with a custom avatar and color. When you first enter a profile, there's no watch history yet, so the system handles this as a cold start. We show popularity based recommendations from the TMDB API with the new releases and popular and the trending now sections that can be seen. These are displayed until you've interacted with at least 6 titles. Let's click through a few movies now to build up that history. After interacting with 6 movies, the recommendation engine activates, which is being powered by Word4Rec, a transformer-based sequential recommendation model. We trained on Netflix UK with Netflix UK data with over 100,000 users and 10,000 items served using an Onyx runtime. You can now see the recommended for you section. If you hover over a card and give a thumbs up, it turns green, and in the backend it pushes your profile vector towards similar content. Thumbs down turns red and immediately removes the movie from your feed. This feedback is logged asynchronously via a Kafka pipeline. Clicking a movie opens the modal with the poster, overview, and rating all fetched from the TMDB API. You can play the trailer inline. Once you interact with the movie, it moves to your continue watching section and is removed from the recommended for you section, keeping both the lists separate. The search bar is being powered by a mini LM, which is a sentence transformer that is being pulled from Hugging Face that encodes all 10,000 catalog items into a dense embedding space. This means you can search by a mood or a genre and not just by title. For example, typing something like dark thriller returns semantically relevant results ranked by relevance. From the navbar, you can also switch profiles at any time. Back on the profile pages, you can use the Add Profile section to add a profile. Switching into the new profile shows a completely fresh homepage with no watch history, demonstrating true per profile data isolation in the backend database. You can also click the Manage Profile section to rename or delete your profile. The final feature that we have is the Watch Together feature, which allows any user to create another profile if they have not created in the platform, or if they have an account, they can just log in. Click on any movie modal, click Watch Together, and enter a friend's email to send them an invite. The invite appears as a notification on their account via the bell icon. Once they accept, both the users are placed into a shared watch room with a unique room and session ID. The trailer plays for both the parties and they can chat in real time via a WebSocket connection managed via fast API on the backend. Either user signs out, all of their data, including their watch history, their profiles, their continue watching section, is fully preserved in the database and will be reloaded when the user tries to log back in.